guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a play button. So I'm going to be giving away this one. It's going to have my signature in, so I'm just going to type my signature in. So this is my signature, guys. I'm going to be giving away, I'm going to be giving this away to people. So whoever to enter the giveaway, you're going to be all you need to do is subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a like, and comment that you subscribe. So I'm going to type in something in the back. It's going to say congrats. Congrats. You got the gold play button. You did everything to enter the give away. Okay, so I wrote this. Congrats. You got congrats. You got the gold play button. You did everything to enter the giveaway. And it's gonna say from Amid to somebody. Amid, wait, 2 dots. From Amid to blank. So I wrote everything here on the back, so that's gonna be the giveaway. So I'm gonna be telling you how to make it. So what you're gonna be needing is you're gonna be needing tape, a black marker and a different color marker, and scissors. And I don't know if I said this, but tape. And so first you're gonna be 2 pieces of paper. I suggest you get 3 pieces of paper so you don't mess up, but 2. So the first thing you're gonna be doing, you're gonna draw a huge square. Then after that, you're going to get your other paper and then cut it and then cut it like a triangle, and then what else? I forgot. I don't need to think. Oh, and then put the what you call it, square in, and then you're gonna tape it, and then over here you saw what I did in the blue marker color. The thing in the middle was any color marker. So that's how you make it. And I'm sorry if my handwriting isn't good. I'm practicing. I'm sorry. So to enter the giveaway to get my play button, all you need to do is subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and then leave a like, and comment that saying that I subscribed, and then show me your house, but not your address. Just show me your house on Facebook. My username is right there. So yeah, and that's how you make the play button. I hope you have a good day, and don't forget to do all the stuff to enter the giveaway. So we'll see you later. Bye bye. Don't forget to do all the stuff to enter the giveaway.